Unlock the secrets of the guitar, the headstock. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating part of the guitar that often goes unnoticed yet plays a crucial role in its functionality and aesthetics, the guitar headstock. Whether you're a guitar enthusiast, a curious learner, or someone venturing into the world of music, understanding the guitar headstock will add depth to your knowledge and appreciation of this beloved instrument. The guitar headstock sits at the very top of the guitar neck. It's not just for show, it serves a vital function. The headstock is home to the tuning pegs or machine heads, which are critical for tuning the strings of the guitar. The strings wrap around these pegs, and by turning them, you can tighten or loosen the strings, thereby adjusting their pitch. Headstocks come in many shapes and sizes, often varying greatly between different guitar manufacturers. Some famous designs include the classic Fender Stratocaster's synchronized headstock and the Gibson Les Paul's open book headstock. The design is not just about aesthetics. The shape and weight of the headstock can influence the guitar's tone and balance. Just below the headstock, there's a small but significant part called the nut. The nut marks the starting point of the guitar's scale length and holds the strings at the correct height and spacing. Material and craftsmanship in the nut's construction can greatly affect the instrument's sound and playability. Taking care of the headstock and the tuning pegs is crucial for the longevity and performance of your guitar. Regular cleaning, proper string winding, and occasional checks for loose parts will ensure your guitar sounds its best and the tuning remains stable. And that's a wrap on our journey through the intriguing world of guitar headstocks. From tuning stability to aesthetic charm, the headstock plays a pivotal role in a guitar's identity and performance. We hope this video has enlightened you and added a new layer to your understanding and appreciation of guitars. Keep strumming, and until next time, keep exploring the magic of music.